cup all-purpose flour, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, a 1/4 cup ghee melted. Mix well. A 1/2 cup water. Knead a hard dough. Rest for 10 minutes. 1 teaspoon clarified butter. 200-gram koya. Roast for 2–3 minutes. Set aside. 1 tablespoon clarified butter. 1 3-cup semolina. Roast on low flame for 5 to 8 minutes. 2 tablespoon almond chopped. 2 tablespoon raisin. Cook on low flame for 1 minute. A 1/3 cup desiccated coconut. Cook on low flame for 30 seconds. Turn off the stove. Add koya. Mix well. A 1/2 teaspoon green cardamom powder. 2 to 3 tablespoon powdered sugar. Mix well. Set aside. Dust the flour. Add prepared mixture. Apply water. Medium heated oil. Fry on low flame for 8 to 10 minutes. One cup sugar. A 1/2 cup water. Cook until sugar dissolves. Cook on medium flame until sticky consistency. Soak in sugar syrup for 2–3 minutes.